Myself, Arpana Grover, Senior Faculty Member at Informatics and Corsetu. Now, dear students, as you all know that CUET 2023 is coming very near to you, and definitely now the CUET 2023 exam का date announce हो चुका है, and you might be searching for certain websites or certain lectures जो कि आपको एक complete information दे अपने आप में कि how to prepare for the examination, and this is the best video for you to understand the CUET pattern और कौन से चैप्टर्स हमको ज़्यादा करने हैं, किस तरह से हमको उसको एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना है. So this is the last 1 week when you can make your strategy. So obviously this lecture of CUET 2023 exam pattern by Informatics, which is the leading institute for the MCA entrances in Chandigarh for the last 25 years. And CUET PG, talking about this, there will be one question paper which will consist of total 100 marks. 100 नंबर का पूरा पेपर होगा जो कि 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विल बी कंपल्सरी एंड मेक इट वेरी श्योर, कोई इसमें चॉइस नहीं होगी आपके लिए कि गिव अ चॉइस. देयर विल बी 2 पार्ट्स ऑफ पेपर, पेपर ए एंड पेपर बी. पेपर ए विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चंस which will be based upon your language, comprehension, reasoning, quant and GK. So this all is a basic paper जिसको हम कहते हैं mental ability और the general aptitude paper, जो कि पेपर ए में आपके पास आएगा. पेपर बी जो होगा दैट विल बी ऑफ 75 क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें कि बेसिकली आपको पूछा जाएगा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज, दैट इज मैथ्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स, व्हेन यू आर अपेयरिंग फॉर CUET PG. सो दिस इज द बेसिक पैटर्न ऑफ CUET 25 + 75. नाउ लेट्स सी, अब हमें ये प्रिपेयर करना है कि 25 क्वेश्चंस में से कैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, हमें कौन से चैप्टर्स को ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह पढ़ना है और 75 क्वेश्चंस में हमें किस तरह से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. सो दिस एनालिसिस ऑफ द पेपर इज डन बाय एक्सपर्ट्स हु आर हैविंग मिनिमम ऑफ 20 years of expertise in their own specific fields. Now talking about the paper 1, जिसमें कि मैंने आपको बताया 25 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आपको. सो इन 25 क्वेश्चंस में से आपको रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे, इंग्लिश के भी होंगे, क्वांट के होंगे, जीके के होंगे. सो हाउ दिस वाज evaluated in the last year. Total paper A consists of 25 questions, in which last year 10 questions were from the English language. In the English, we were having these type of questions, जिसमें कि आपके पास rearrangement of sentence आ गया, where you are given a jumbled sentence and you have to rearrange the sentence in a particular logical manner. Second is one word substitution, that is you are having a one word substitution का आपको एक question आएगा, जिसमें कि anything of the sort is given, like give one word for a particular set of words. Narration is there, direct indirect speech, singular plural, that means you are given a singular part and you have to mention what is the plural form of the particular word. One question was a fill in the blank. Sounds of animals, which was in the matching format, like you have to match the various sounds of the animals. Tenses, that is you have to give a right correct form of a tense. Spelling corrections, you have to give a proper correction of a spelling. You are given a word and you have to give a proper correction. Correct preposition to be completed. You have to fill a proper preposition in a particular sentence. So these were the 10 questions of English which were asked in CUET 2022 last year. And in 10 question में से आपको basically अगर हम evaluate करें, fill in the blanks and grammar आपका अच्छा होना चाहिए, then उसने हर एक part को touch किया है. He has touched all the basic parts comprising of English. So English का syllabus जो mentioned है, that is over there. Next was GK. GK में से 5 questions were asked, and in these 5 questions, first question was of documentary film. You have to give a name of a documentary film. Nobel Prize winners का आपका matching था. Taglines थी, जो कि किसकी क्या tagline है. ऑथर्स एंड राइटर्स से एक क्वेश्चन आया था जो कि अगेन मैच द फॉलोइंग में था, एंड मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी ऑफ अ कार. सो दिस वर द 5 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ जीके विच वर देयर. नेक्स्ट वाज योर रीजनिंग पार्ट. नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस वर ऑफ द रीजनिंग सेक्शन, in which the questions were asked from the following chapters, like blood relation, relationship with coding, that is symbols, coding decoding, incorrect order of notations, that is रैंकिंग आप कह सकते हो इनको, दैट इज अ टॉपिक ऑफ रैंकिंग. सो आप रैंकिंग का चैप्टर अगर आप इसमें से कर सकते हो. कोडिंग विद सिंबल्स, अगेन आपको ये पजल्स के फॉर्मेट में भी आ सकता है. सो दीज आर द 5 क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वर आस्क्ड इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ रीजनिंग पार्ट. सो आफ्टर दैट 5 questions were asked from the portion of aptitude. ये 5 क्वेश्चन कौन से थे? पहला क्वेश्चन इंडाइसेस का था, when fractions, partnership, profit loss and percentage. So basically the examiner has asked you the questions related to these chapters. So no doubt हमें हर एक चैप्टर बहुत अच्छी तरह करना है, but majorly focus upon these chapters. So the basic purpose of telling you about this PPT is कि you must not leave these chapters which have been asked last year. And for the detailed paper, अगर आपको इसका original paper चाहिए तो you can go to our website, that is informatsonline.com. This is our website where you can find the paper. Secondly, you can go to our YouTube channel, that is Informats India. And this is basically on Informats India, you will find video solutions for CVT PG paper. That will be very helpful because अगर जो हमने recordings डाली हैं Informats India पर, that is on the basis of shortcut techniques. So coming to the next part, paper B. Paper B जो था आपका वो 75 questions का था, जिसमें कि आपको एक maths and computers. The questions will be asked from the core fields. So if you're giving the paper of MCA, the questions will be answered from maths and computers. Similarly, let's see, matrices के last year 2 questions पूछे गए थे, permutation combination के 4, probability के 4, derivative का 1, functions का 1, limits 1 question, application AOD is 1 question, definite integral 1, sets के make it very short, 7 questions were there of the first very chapter, set theory and relations. Sequence series 7 again questions were asked from sequence series. So nutshell में 14 questions तो आप लोगों के इसी में से पूछे गए हैं. Apart from this, trigonometric ratios 2 questions, straight lines 2D में 3 questions, vectors में 5 questions, complex number 1 question, statistics 2 questions, log, surds, indices, total 3 questions. Normally जब हम मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं तो हम कैलकुलस पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, कैलकुलस. वी नॉर्मली लीव these chapters like log, surds, indices, statics. So never leave these questions. अगर आप देखो तो 5 questions आपको इसी में से ही आए हुए हैं. So we are not, as we have seen the pattern of the paper, the examiner has touched each and every chapter, whether it is important on your point of view or unimportant. So make it very sure कि आप maximum पूरा syllabus करके जाएं. Computers में से he has asked the question on Boolean functions, binary numbers, Boolean expressions, 2C complements, statement 2C complements, assertion, reason and binary numbers, Boolean and memory. So when we have seen these questions, that means the examiner has asked maximum questions on the basis of your fundamentals. That means आपके जो computer is checking for your fundamental of computer, whether you are good in basic computers or not, right? So this was the basic pattern of CVT. And Informats being a leader in MCA entrance for the last 25 years, this is the various results of Informats this year in 2023, in which we have secured first rank of Maharashtra CET this year, and we are proud to announce that second rank and third rank again grasped by Informatians. Abhinav, by securing 100 percentile in CVT PG, stands first all over India. We are having the best results of VIT MCA also this year. Maximum of our students have been selected in VIT MCA campus of Vellore, and lot many students have been selected in Chennai campus and Bhopal campus also. Now Informats hereby announces new courses for MCA entrance, preparing you for NIMSET, CVT PG, Punjab University, Chandigarh and Maharashtra CET. Being the leaders, we have been committed to you for your 100% result selections, and definitely the best coaching with the best study material and the best shortcut techniques. We mainly focus upon the student satisfaction and the best study material which we provide you for clearing up your examinations for NIT, CVT PG, PU and Mahaset. We give you the full syllabus completion with the basics and advanced concepts of all the chapters. Chapter wise and full length tests are there for you. Basically, we provide you an app also by the name of Course Edu, and the basic purpose of giving you the app is that is the recorded lectures. So whatever being done in the class, next day or the same day is uploaded on our app so that you can revise it well and make your concepts crystal clear so that you can crack the best examinations which you are dreaming of. Free enrollment for the Course Edu app is there, so you can contact us at the below given number if you really want to have a very good best results. We are having various batches. You can enroll yourself in the regular batches, in the online batches, recorded batches, live batches. So once you have thought of yes, you want to study with Informatics, you can join with us in any mode, online mode as well as offline mode. In any case, we are having the best results in the online recorded lectures also. Obviously, many of our students are in the recorded batch, and the online batch have been selected in VIT and Maharashtra CET. So definitely think of MCA and think of Informatics.